Is a baby salamander.
Nature walking. Maddie Ford. What do you got, Maddie? Is that a spotted salamander?
Oh no, it died!
No, it didn't.
Right there.
It's a really long salamander.
No, that's probably gonna.
Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that one. Capture that one for the footage.
Whoa! Where?
Cool.
Awesome!
Alright, if this was man...
Don't scare it! Don't scare it!
Jason!
If this was man versus wild, you could live on that thing.
Guys, scare it.
With the strength of 1,000 men! What do we got? Oh, look at that. That could have some stuff in it. There's some bugs.
Ooh, little bugs. It's gonna get in your hair.
What else do we got?
Look!
Acorn?
It's a sprouted acorn.
That is cool. Check that out.
Oh, whoa.
That's interesting.
That's awesome.
Back up a little so you can see that one. What else we got? There's a salamander. See it? There's a centipede.
Where?
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Oh, that's a salamander.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There's some other
Right
acorns
here.
there. So what kind of trees have acorns?
Oak trees?
Oak trees. Very good.
That is really cool.
Yep.
That's sick. That is awesome. Sprouted acorn.
And do you see guys any fungi on this tree?
Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, that's like that stuff.
What are you recording?
Is that stuff? That's a scientific term? Stuff?
Yep. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes.
Crawl little. So like on plants we can write acorn sprout.
That's a good one. I like that.
Sprouted acorn. Yeah, sprouted acorn.
I'm gonna stop filming now.
So tell me what happened. So this tree fell down and now it's rotting. And what does a rotting tree do for the wood?
Decomposes?
Decomposes, which makes fertilizer for
The other trees?
and acorns to grow. Right? So we had an acorn growing under a rotting tree. That's pretty cool.
I think I put it like Stop filming!
Okay. Get a leaf. I saw this on Man vs. Wild. It's okay.
Oh my god.
Ugh.
Dad, you're so disgusting.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming. Is it good? What the heck?
That's deer poop.
Regular deer. Ew! Hi, Dad.
Hello. You could live in here. It's awesome.
Yes, sure.
You could live in here if you're a Man vs. Wild.
Well, but we're not. So.
Hi, this is Mike Ford with Conant School playing Man vs. Wild. I'm stuck here in a tree. Hi, why don't you come through the window over here? So this is, don't put it that way. Back up. Here, back up through the hole. So this is a house. It's also your food. You get termites. You get all kinds of ants and bugs. Oh. Okay, Mr. Foley's got some owl spottings. There it is. Cool. They're right under him, aren't they?
Yep.
Yeah. Here we are. Mark Foley put a robot owl up there just for the kids. That is great, Mark.
Oh, no, that's... Okay, well, guys, he's looking at us. Nobody raise your hand. It's a sign of,
Yes, if you
aggression?
attack animals, yes. Like
it's a sign of attack.
You know. Go ahead right up. Just be careful stepping. And if he comes down for you, just leave your clipboard, because that's school property. Go around the plant. Come through this way. Okay. Circle around that big tree. Oh.
Yeah!
Oh, Paul, and your assistant picked it up. Very good, Jason. All right, well, one pick. Oh, okay. Here, Jason.
No.
Jason's a Boy Scout. He's spent an hour with me, Man vs. Wild.
Eat it, eat it.
Go ahead, Jason.
They don't train Boy Scouts to eat poop.
Yeah, that's
They
good.
don't. Go ahead, Jason.
They're in level 2.
Don't eat it.
Jason, here, Maddie, you film. Jason, if you do it, I'll do it.
You already did it.
No, you can't.
Don't do it.
Jason's a wimp.
No, you can't dare you to eat it. You can't force someone to eat your food.
Yeah, I have to have it cooked.
Dad, no. I want no. Oh, hang on, I want to smell it.
Eat it, Jason.
No, God, it's a jelly bean.
Jason.
Jason,
Oh.
Jason,
what the heck?
explore the bog.
Wild
Let's explore the bog. If I lose my...
That's you still like mercy.
Alright, here's a good picture. Everybody come over here and look down at the camera. Hi, here we are. Don't fall in.
Jason, why don't you try it? You're falling.
Hanging out at the bog.
Okay, so might you have some coffee?
Hi, this is Mike, heading for the nature walk. When I go on nature walks, I always like to bring a little extra surprise for the children. And a little malted milk balls here.